You either win or learn, but you never fail. Yeah. Top achievers love feedback and learning. Wise people communicate well. Top leaders do not worry about who gets the credit. Yes, adversity is the best catalyst. Replace ego with learning. Yes, replace ego with learning. Great thinkers embrace fear and conquer it. Average people agree, but champions caution. True champions quickly spot the opportunity. Champions respond and amateurs react. Top performers do not waste time in impressing others. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Take care, bye bye and see you later. Bye. My 21st tip to you